Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: a charged laptop and steady Wi-Fi, then open your browser and navigate to Google Accounts. Click Create Account, choose Personal or Business because that changes verification and profile options. Once done, enter your name and a unique username. This becomes your Gmail address, so pick something professional if you plan to use it for work. Make sure to pause and confirm spellings. Typos lock you out later. Next, you enter required details: username, strong password, birthday, and gender. Use a password with letters, numbers, and symbols to resist guessing. Then add your phone and recovery email. This helps for verification, password resets, and security alerts. Google will text a code. Enter it when prompted, because verification ties the account to you and prevents fraud. If you prefer, skip optional fields, but no recovery options save time if you lose access. Finally, review privacy and personalization settings, accept the terms, and click Create. Once created, sign into Gmail to confirm your inbox and sync preferences. Enable two-step verification for extra protection. If verification or sign-in fails, make sure your phone number is correct and request a new code, or use the recovery email. Also check spam for messages. If problems persist, clear browser cache or try another browser. That often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.